Welcome to my Sunday From. Today we're making like curry lentils, but um I bought like vegetable lentil soup to make it. So I'm not sure how it's gonna come out because it looks like kind of a spicy southwestern Mexican style dish. But I did make this cilantro lime rice and I will make sure to get that out soon. But um these are the ingredients for this that I got in the pantry. This is vegetable lentil soup, and this one has water green lentils, onion, diced tomatoes, tomato juice, red pepper, celery, tomato base, black beans, and garlic, apple cider vinegar, sugar, cumin, chili pepper, and black pepper. So you can see how it has all those other vegetables in there. And I also have this left over that I'm trying to use up. It's cashew, carrot, and ginger soup. And I figured this would be a very good base, but also for the base, I got this beef bouillon. It's just a bouillon cube, just one little one. And I have the water going, trying to boil it up right now. And here's the garam masala powder. This one has English, cumin seed, black pepper, cinnamon clove, brown cardamom, and green cardamom. So pretty simple, basic food groups. I also got vere vere. I got regular curry powder. This is Laurie's Casero curry powder. Curry in polvo. This is like a Mexican style curry powder, which will probably kind of match up with that one. This lentil soup. I also got Zader. This is sesame seeds, sumac, thyme, and marjoram. So this is in a little box because I don't know. I haven't found a shaker for it. Actually, I should buy a bigger one because I love guitar. But this is the little pouch that it came in, and yeah. So now it's boiling up, and like I said, the base for it would be the beef broth, and we'll get that started by just throwing that in there. Um, so sometimes I like throwing things like herbs and stuff in there too. And you can do that too. So I'll just go ahead and put this in there. And, get it all started. So there's that. You can kind of smash up the bouillon cube as it boils up. So you can see it coming to a rolling boil. And I would like to add the lentils now. No, this has a lot of excess water, so you kind of want to boil it now, boil it out until they cook up nice and yummy. And here you can add the spice, like the heat. I think that would be perfect. So I'll add the spice to it, which I'm using red beta for. Get a good color, as they say. And let it warm through until they kind of soften a little bit and some of that liquid um, evaporates. Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add the garam masala, so that way it's like a whole rounded flavor. That should do it. It's just vegetables. See that? So it's reducing already. And I'll let it reduce some more before I add the other stuff, and we'll be back. So I'm just stirring this. And there's a little bit on the bottom, so I just kind of mind myself to get that. And then I'll put in this cashew ginger soup, which I have to give it a shake because it kind of settles. Just pour it in. That looks about right. Any more than it would be really liquidy, and I just got rid of the liquid, so I don't want to do that. And then from here, you can either reduce it a little bit more and have like a thicker, like gravy consistency, or you can just add the curry now. And that's what I will do. Just add the curry and let it thicken up quite a bit on its own. The more you let it cook, it will cook down and reduce. And like I said, you'll have a more thicker gravy than a sauce in the vegetable. So I'm not sure how you guys want it, but I'm pretty sure I kind of like mine just thick enough to where it's like kind of gravy. So I'll let this cook up. When it's cooked through, I'll be back. Okay, so here's what I got so far. We're just gonna put some rice in the bowl. Like that. And then you could put the curry. Let me get some handles. Like you could put it on the side or on top or both, whatever. Like so. And let's give it a taste. So this is what I have so far. This is what I have, the final product. And this looks so good. Like I'm so eager to try this. So I'm gonna get some lentils, a little bit of rice, and give it a tiny little taste. It's so hot, I'm scared. Mmm. That's so good. And I taste that southwestern flavor. It's really, really kind of like an extra sweetness and also like a hint of kind of a sourness. Like, I don't know. It's just a kind of an original flavor, I guess, but I like it. It tastes like pickled vegetables. And I really don't mind it with the rice. But yeah, it's pretty good. Gonna eat this off camera. I hope you guys like and enjoy it yourself. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and watch some of my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. My son, different. Bye bye.